Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. I am Jo. I am dedicating my today's video to all the Chikiri Chikiri fans of India and across the globe. I am bowled over by Mr. A.R. Rahman again with this number. He killed it. My childhood taste for music was taken 2-3 notches up because of A.R. Rahman, and I have never liked any other Indian music composer after I heard his songs, and I get very upset when any of his songs don't work, but he never lets his fans down. That's the best thing about him, and I can't tell you how happy I am that his song Chikiri Chikiri lived up to everyone's expectations and is getting such tremendous views. As a fan, I am ecstatic, thrilled, and all the superlative adjectives that I would love to associate to this song is still not enough, right? So I am dedicating this episode to A.R. Rahman and Charan for his killer moves. I don't have to acknowledge, I mean, we all know he's a fabulous dancer. Telugu lo, Hindi lo, Tamil lo, all the industries A.R. Rahman rocks, and ఆయన songs చెప్పనక్కర్లేదు ఎంత పెద్ద hits ఉంటాయో కదా, ఎంత పెద్ద hits ఉంటాయి. So amazing. Chikiri Chikiri, I have heard it like a million times already, and I'm sure I must have contributed a million views to the videos that have been aired by the music company. So I can't stop gushing over how beautiful the song is. After a long time, I got hooked on to a song and can't stop listening to it. So yay! Hats off to the entire team of Chikiri Chikiri song. Outstanding performances, great music, great dancing, great casting, amazing. So you killed it, guys. So this is a pair of Aqua winter gloves. It is also a top-rated brand in Europe, making a US debut. The fabric is very light and flexible, guys. Look at the flexibility. These are exceptional gloves, guys. Amazing for winter. They have amazing design on it. So these beautiful looking gloves stand out for exceptional warmth. So let me wear and show it to you guys. These are so light on the hand, like when I wear it, I don't feel like I'm wearing gloves. They're so light and glamorous too. Look at that design. They're so glamorous and pretty as well. These are perfect for winters. So I travel a lot, so for me having a perfect pair of gloves is very essential. I usually keep a spare with me. They're perfect for winter activities, they're perfect for outdoors, they're perfect for daily wear. And the quality, guys, so I am big on quality, so I do not compromise on quality, and I don't buy anything that is of a poor quality. But when I got these gloves the first time, I was so impressed with the quality, and for the price they're offering, it is outstanding. I strongly recommend these, guys. I mean, I just wore this for 5 minutes indoors and I'm sweating. Europe gets very cold, so does America. So these are perfect winter gloves with a touch of glamour. So these gloves are non-slip grip and water resistant. So the way these gloves are designed, you can wear it with pretty clothes as well as your winter gear. So very versatile gloves. They go with any kind of costumes because of its intricate, pretty design here. And colors. So they come in different colors. You have pink, you have gray, you have black, and blue, Do check out the Amazon link in my description. These gloves in different colors, so you can match your outfit too. I have tried these on for a month before I was sure that this is the kind of quality I would love to share with my audience or my YouTube family. So it is very reasonably priced. I feel this pair of gloves makes for an amazing investment in terms of pricing, quality, and also performance. Use the link I have mentioned in the description below. I never thought I would like, and I would even make a pumpkin ever on my channel. But yeah, sometimes some dishes are a big surprise, and I mean, they can change your mind, and pumpkins have done that to me. It's a very simple dish, and guys, I want to keep the dishes that I show on this channel very simple for two reasons. One, you should be able to make it quickly, obviously, because nobody has that kind of time anymore and you want to do a lot of other things. And at the same time, I don't like to do extensive cooking on a daily basis. Once in a while, okay, but I feel the taste of the simple cooking where you're not altering the flavors of the actual vegetable you're using to cook is very important. So today I'll be cooking an interesting mini pumpkin bites dish, and which are made of these cute mini pumpkins about 2 to 3 diameters, but they taste like a killer. We know it's a pumpkin season right now, and can be the best. It is one of the best seasons to cook pumpkin. I've never liked pumpkin all my life, but once I started tasting the pumpkins this way, I fell in love with it. So we're going to nicely wash the mini pumpkins and slice them. So I've removed all the seeds, cleaned the mini pumpkins and cut them into half. Now let's start slicing. There you go, our beautifully sliced mini pumpkins are now ready. 1/3 cup of cooking oil. To the oil, I will add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of kalonji or onion seeds, to that add the mini pumpkin slices, we are halfway through the cooking process. About 10 minutes have passed. Now I'll be adding the dry powder. So we have a little bit of dry onion powder, some ground white pepper, organic paprika, and some dry garlic powder. Cook it for another 10 minutes. There you go, guys. It is perfectly ready now. Just look at this. It's perfectly cooked, and it took 20 minutes to reach to this consistency. There you go, guys, the yummiest pumpkin bites. Now I never used to like pumpkins before, but after I tried this dish, I fell in love with it, and I can't stop recommending or having it. So do try this recipe without a miss. This is amazing. Amazing dish. I strongly recommend. My today's 2 cents will be, of course, on pumpkins because they made such amazing, amazing mini pumpkin slice bites. So why not, right? We all know the beautiful Cinderella story, and I have watched Cinderella for over a million times while growing up. So, and we also know the pumpkin and how it was used in the Cinderella story. So the first quote is from that movie. So let's see, guys. What did Cinderella say when the carriage suddenly turned into a pumpkin? Oh my God! So G-O-U-R-D, God, and not G-O-D. So, oh my God, God or pumpkin. One more quote on pumpkin again. Slipped on a pumpkin? Oh no, it got me off guard. Off guard. I hope you got the joke, guard, G-O-U-R-D. So it's off guard. You caught me off guard. When life gives you pumpkins, make pie. In my case, I'm making bites. Have a great time till I see you next on Saturday, 9 a.m. PST, guys. On that note, guys, go enjoy the Chikiri Chikiri and make it the biggest blockbuster song and movie of the year. Until then, bye-bye.